You know, I don't believe in that, like having a baby with your head. Isn't your name Charles?
Yeah,
I used to live on Princeton. My name is Kiki. It used to stay on Amherst.
wait, take your glass. Wait, just take a, you didn't wear glasses like this.
Nope.
Oh, damn. Oh,
Yep.
hell no, that's crazy as fuck. Oh, hell no. All the time, I'm looking at you like you looking, what's up, man? Damn, that's crazy. What the hell? Hell no, what you, damn. That's crazy because I had moved to Florida for a while. And then
Yeah.
I came back.
Well, I've stayed a little all over. I stayed in Georgia for a little
Right.
bit, then North Dakota and California.
Yeah, that's so crazy. Yeah, that's crazy because I had that damn iguana and shit back
Yeah.
then. Yeah, that's crazy. Somebody had broken and stole that shit from me that back
Did they
then.
really?
Yep.
No way.
Yep.
So when did you move?
Um, maybe, maybe 3, 4 years after that. I moved to Florida for a while. And I came back like 6 years ago. But you know, I drive trucks. I
Right.
drive for HOC.
Yeah. Well, at the time, what were you doing at the time? When me
I
and
was
you were
at
messing around.
BNC. At BNC Research where I was working at then.
Yeah.
At BNC.
Yeah.
And then from there, I left there and started driving trucks on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, I forgot I hit that.
We lost.
Ooh,
Oh, stop! Get away!
That's crazy. Hell no. That's what we did. Dude,
You're
that's so fucking. You used to sneak
horrible.
over and shit or something. Because when you stay with your mom or somebody at that time,
My
or
mom
something,
and grandma in
yeah,
Princeton. Yeah.
right. You had to sneak over or some shit.
Yeah.
Hell no, that's funny as hell. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. That was a while ago too. Wow.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy. I was out today. I had bought me a motorcycle today. I was out riding around, getting my feet wet and shit.
Were you?
Yeah, because I never had a bike before, but it's my first one, so I was like just fucking around with it. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, this problem, man. You know, you got fucking women problem, men problem. I don't know, you might not have it, but
No.
so I came back up
I got a
here,
bigger
man. It's just
problem.
like, what was that?
The
What?
government.
Oh, well, yeah, I guess, you know. But you can stay away from the government and shit, you know.
No, you can't. Not with the technology that you got. They got. You know what I'm saying? Like being attacked with science is way different from being attacked with a weapon.
Well, yeah, I mean, but, you know, you can kind of finagle on this when you get the
They be
finances
shutting
and
down
shit
my
like that.
communications. Won't let me earn. It's been bad.
Oh, damn. Oh, I ain't this deep man with you there. Oh,
Yeah.
damn. Wow. Yes. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. Where you headed to?
I'm heading home.
What bus is you waiting on?
The number 2.
Home where? Where you at?
Think about it, Charles. Like you ain't never known me to catch no bus. Like
Oh, yeah.
last you knew, I joined the military.
Oh,
I ain't been
okay.
on foot since I was a
Yeah,
teen.
yeah. I mean, it'd be fucked up, you know. Yeah, a
No,
lot of
not
shit
by
is-
no. People fuck up. Like that's the reality that matters. I can never do anything to cause myself to be in this type of
Yeah,
situation.
I mean, yeah.
I would never. Like this shit is beneath me.
Yeah, well, you know, I mean, ups and downs in life. I mean, you
No.
know, just
No,
whatever.
no.
Look, it might be too deep for me and shit. I don't know.
Yeah.
It might be deep. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And you used to be kind of weak.
What's that? What?
You know, in terms of complex matters and stuff like that.
Well, I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm still conscious, you know, but I don't know. I guess I don't know. It's crazy. You try to stay out the way and try to, I don't know, try to, I don't know, cause it's hard to, I don't know. It's kind of hard to. Some things it's hard to really, like you say, like even with this, people making a stand, they riding, that shit ain't gonna stop. Then they just today they say they killed somebody else got killed today. It's some things just I don't know. It's hard to say just do what you do, but it's I don't know. It's kind of like what can you do? You know what I'm saying? Tear up your shit, this and that, and you still left with nothing. I mean, they still gonna do what they do. I don't know. I just try to stay to myself and just live, man. That's all you can do. I don't know. But like I said, yours probably more deep than mine. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm an Uncle Tom. You know how it is to say when you made it, you don't even think about it no more. It's like, but it's
Yeah.
like you don't want to fuck up what you got going. It's like, maybe not
Yeah.
say nothing.
Yeah.
It's like, what I'm supposed to do?
Yeah, that's the reward of enslavement, you know?
Yeah, I know. You're still beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, you're still gorgeous.
Thank
Oh,
you.
look at, and that's so funny. I'm looking like, where the fuck is that girl going? What the fuck?
They've been
Like,
attacking my appearance and everything. I'm talking
and it's
about the stuff that I talk about is
right.
bad.
Well, I mean, when you're
This phone
going there, you need to
call,
ride or something. I mean, how far
it's
is it?
okay. I don't want to ride.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know.
But
But
it's bad, Charles. It's real
yeah,
bad.
yeah, I mean,
And it's unfortunate, like the next time you see me, it'll be on the news.
no, don't go there.
No,
No,
it's really gonna be like that.
no, don't go there. It's just try to stay out the game.
There's no other way. I've done everything. You know,
Yeah.
like I'm a victim right now of Operation Mockingbird, internet censorship. You know, like they be, when I say they shut it down, they shut it down.
Oh, yeah, all right. Yeah, all right.
And I know, look, you got your situation going
What?
on, and
What?
you don't want to mess it up. So
Well, I
take
mean,
care.
see, you could have just went on and married me and just
Well,
been good.
yeah, went on and married you, and you used to love me.
I know, I did. Oh my
Mhm.
God. If you ran away, that's what it was.
Bye.
All right, girl. I hope I run into you again.
Okay. That's not the Charles that I used to know. Like, he used to adore me. It would be absolutely distraught if he knew anything was happening to me. I'm missing a tooth. And he had like, it's just all good. Chunky, not the same stature, wearing glasses, all kind of shit. But you heard what it is. When your situation's okay, you don't want to hear it. When you on the devil's team, you don't want to hear that. Anyhow, when I was messing around with him, I was about 17. Maybe 16 and a half. And he was much older than me. I didn't ask his age now. But I stopped messing with him because I was messing with a police officer and a fireman or paramedic.